Get your head out of the gutter. Make me mad and then it'd make me smile. It's alright to have a misunderstanding, as long as you hit the landing. Sometimes it's really absurd. When it's done, we'll be birds of a feather, live out our lives together.